Hi, welcome to yet another video about an application developer thinking it's a good idea to make a video game. Um, I am currently 6 months unemployed, and yeah, this seems like a great idea to start doing this now. So, welcome to the devlog number 1 for Ground Up. Let me just quickly demo what the game is. The premise being, you're on your last few dollars and you're like, I could eat, or I could start a cheeseburger restaurant. And so that's it. This is just an incremental game. We got some clicking to begin with. We're kind of working through the first loop here. So you see, you buy your ingredients, you sell your burger, refill your ingredients, and just keep selling. So this is just to get the main loop. It's a little bit slow right now. You can see at the bottom here, um, that is a new ingredient we're about to unlock. So at about 25 burgers, we get cheese. So now we can buy our cheese and our beef, and we can make cheeseburgers. And so that is the premise. Um, let's just kind of zip through this, hopefully quickly. The math does not really allow for that right now. But once we hit $1,000, we can buy an upgrade. Come on, there we go. We got that upgrade. So so you can see we have 12 buns that we need to buy. We're going to use this upgrade to set up the auto clicker for ingredients. And so now, as we run out of ingredients, it will rebuy. So watch what's going to go next? Probably the cheese. Okay. There you go, beef and bun. Now they're both bought. And so we're getting that auto buy element. And so that's the first part. It's going to take a little while before we can get to actually unlocking the grand opening, which is auto clicking for the menu items themselves. But yeah, that is kind of the basics. Yeah, and so you can see now burgers are going up. So is our money, and it's just all kind of on autopilot right now. So that's the basics. You can see this is done in Svelte because I worked on the web. So it seemed like the quickest way to kind of figure out the whole game loop and whether it was something I'd actually want to continue with. I've made it through a week, so yes. Let's just kind of jump over. So yeah, first week, I think I started this on the 20th or so is when I started taking notes, but that is about when I started working. Yeah, so yeah, as you can see, I started with the Continuum engine, and then after a couple days, it was just like, I can write this myself. The real basics anyways. So that's it. We're trying to work towards Next Fest because you need some sort of goal. So that means, what do we got? I think the first release will be like, yeah, the MVP. So it's kind of going to be like for playtesting. That'll be 2 weeks from now. So I'm going to release a video every week, and you'll see that in a couple weeks. Yep. Yeah. So we'll probably work on the boosters. I was supposed to do it for this week, didn't finish it. But yeah, this is the big one. Is it fun? So we'll figure that out over the coming week. So stay tuned.